What's up, everyone? I am Randy Elorta, and today I'll be going to explain the differences between academic and literary writings. So without further ado, let's get on to it. So most often students find confusing between the two. So in this video, I'm going to shed the light on the difference between academic writing and literary writing. An academic writing is a formal style of writing used in universities and scholarly publication. Additional information: an academic writing is clear, concise, focused, structured, and backed up with evidence. Its purpose is to aid the reader's understanding. An academic writing is a nonfiction. So, what do I mean by nonfiction? A nonfiction, it is a prose writing that is based on facts, real people, and real events, like history and biography. So these are the following academic writings. We have articles, reaction paper, journals, and abstract. An article is a piece of writing about a particular subject. These include magazine, newspaper, and etc. Reaction paper. Reaction paper is a form of paper writing in which the writer expresses his or her own ideas and opinions about what has been seen or read. Journal. Journal is a book in which you write down your personal experiences and thoughts. Abstract. Abstract is a short summary of a long document. So those are under academic writing, and there's more. So now, let's proceed to literary writings. Literary writing defined as creating creative work such as poems, novels, short stories, legends, and etc. Literary writing is not a formal style of writing and can be fiction. So these are the following literary writings. We have novels, poems, short stories, legend, novel. A novel is a long written story, usually about imaginary characters and events. So these are an examples of novels under Philippine literature. We have Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo written by Jose Rizal. We also have Penang Sikat by Lope Santos. Another example, we have Woman Who Had Two Navels by Nick Joaquin. Poem. Poem is a piece of writing that usually has a figurative language and that is written in separate lines that often have a repeated rhythm and sometimes rhyme. Examples of poem are Annabel Lee by Edgar Allan Poe, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost, Filipinas by Jose Palma, 1896 Cry Freedom by Aurelio S. Alvaro. Epic. An epic is telling a story about a hero or about exciting events or adventures. So these are the following examples of epic. We have Iliad and Odyssey written by Homer, and then Epic of Gilgamesh, Mahabharata, Beowulf, The Evalon, The Life of Lamang, The Hudhud ni Ali Guyon. Short story. It is a short written story, usually dealing with a few characters, and a short work of fiction. These are examples of short stories. We have The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe, The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant, Rip Van Winkle by Washington Irving, The Turtle and the Monkey by Virgilio Almario, The Summer Solstice by Nick Joaquin. Legend, a story from the past that is make-believe by many people but cannot prove to be true. So an examples of legend are Alibaba, Kraken, the Loch Ness Monster, Bigfoot, the King Arthur, the Legend of Makahiya, the Legend of Pineapple, and so on. So the last one is folktale. Folktale is a traditional story. Examples: we have Maria Makiling, the Mother Mountain, Necklace and the Comb, and the Carabao and the Shell. So that's all. See you on my next video.